mail day. Got my wiring harness for the Cutlass. And this one's nice. Fuse block. Some relay thingy-majiggies. OBD. Or tuning port. Man, this is nice. So, these injector plugs are different than what I got. So they included some adapters to the ones that I got, which is cool. Just the transmission. I think this is a O2 sensor. See, I don't know what half this shit is. What's this injector stuff? Okay. Oh, but good thing there's directions, and hopefully I can get somebody to come and help me. Stay tuned. Oh, got an oil dipstick too. I got a flexible braided stainless steel transmission dipstick too also. So I'm still just waiting on that damn fuel pump. Supposed to ship out 7/15 now. Fingers crossed.